Introduction to new Putaway workflow. To make your experience better, Unicommerce has made a few changes in the Putaway process. Put at shelf, bulk scanning. After adding the items to Putaway, click on Create Putaway List. To scan all the items in shelf in bulk, you may go to Settings icon and choose the Putaway configuration as bulk. After creating the Putaway list, Complete Putaway option will allow you to complete the pending Putaway. Update shelf. This option will allow you to update the shelves for your items as shown in the video. If you have more line items, you may update the shelves in bulk. The sample CSV file will be available once you click on Upload. The mandatory fields are also mentioned and you may download the CSV file from here. Here's a sample CSV sheet which needs to be filled. Once the CSV file is completed, upload it here by clicking at Choose File and click on Import. Now click on Complete Putaway and it will be shown in the Completed tab. Put at shelf, one by one scanning. After adding the items to Putaway, click on Create Putaway List. To scan the items one by one in each shelf, you may go to Settings icon and choose the Putaway configuration as each. You may click on the Put at Shelf option. The page is showing the pending and the scan tabs through which you can see the details of scanned or not scanned SKUs. You need to first scan the shelf on which you are putting the inventory. As you can see, after scanning the shelf code, the system is suggesting you to keep all the good inventory in its respective shelf. Here you may also see other tabs like Enabling Show Items from all the shelves. It will allow you to see both good quantities or items as well as the rejected quantities or items at the same time. You may also see the details of shelf capacity and used capacity at the left. Once you start scanning the SKU, you will get the option to choose the inventory type as good or bad to improve the accuracy of real-time quality checks. Click on Add. The item has been added. The page will show the details of the items and you can track it from the progress bar at the left. You may either scan the SKUs one by one or add the quantities in bulk by clicking on Add Quantity. Choose the good quantity count and the bad quantity count as shown in the video. For keeping rejected quantity, you need to switch the shelf and mention the shelf code where you wish to keep the rejected quantity. Scan the SKU once again. Click on Add Quantity. While choosing the bad inventory count, it is mandatory to mention the rejection reason. Click on Add. Do the same with another SKU that exists in the same Putaway. Once all the items are scanned, the Putaway will be automatically completed. Thank you for watching.